In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get my video to play on Kit landing page. We're going to walk through the easiest and most reliable way to add a video to your Kit landing page using the standard video block. This method works best when you already have a public video link from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. As long as your video is published and set to be viewable by anyone with the link, you'll be good to go. First, start by opening your landing page editor. From your main dashboard, navigate to the section labeled Grow and then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing landing pages live and where you can create or edit them. Find the landing page you want to add a video to and open it in the editor. Once you're inside the editor, decide exactly where you want the video to appear on the page. Click into the text area or content block where you'd like the video to sit. It might be under a headline, inside a section with some descriptive text, or even between two blocks of content. The key is to place it where it supports your message and feels natural for visitors. When you click into that area, you'll see a small plus icon appear on the left side. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A menu of different content types will show up, and from that list, choose the option labeled Video. This tells the editor that instead of adding more text or an image, you want to insert a video player. After you've selected video, look over to the settings panel on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a field where you can paste your video URL. Grab the full link from YouTube or Vimeo, making sure it's the standard share link, and paste it into that field. The editor should automatically recognize the link and generate a preview of your video, so you can confirm it's the correct one. Once everything looks good, the final step is to save and publish your changes. Click Save to store your updates inside the editor, and then click Publish so the new version of your landing page goes live. After publishing, open your landing page in a new browser tab and scroll to the section where you added the video. You should see the embedded player ready to go, and when you press play, your video will start right on your Kit landing page.